We are currently in the midst of a pivotal transit. With Mars in Sagittarius from November 4th to December 15th, that is putting a specific focus on the area in your chart where Sagittarius lives. Mars is a personal planet, which means that this isn't just energy. Mars transits are part of your engine of self-development. Every Mars transit is part of a 2-year cycle, a cycle based on your desires and the achievement of those desires. But in Sagittarius, the mechanics change. In this sign, action supports belief. We aren't just moving pieces on a board. We are creating inner knowing. So here is the alchemy of this transit. Your intuition already knows the dream is real, but your logical mind needs proof. Mars is the tool that we use to generate that proof. When you act in alignment with your dreams and your heart, you convert belief into knowledge. You convert actions into results. You're going to want to use this time to build a body of evidence. Every virtuous action you take right now is another brick in the wall. You are proving to yourself in real time that you are the person capable of creating and living that dream. When you follow that inner knowing, belief becomes fact. Dreams become reality. And you might be asking yourself right now, but Jay, what about that Mercury retrograde? It's in Sagittarius right now. And to that I say yes, Mercury is retrograde in Sagittarius right now. But it's not a stop sign. This is a review period. Mercury is helping you review your intuition, review everything related to the dream. Has what you've been doing right now been aligning with what you want to create? Or has it been distracting you? Have you been listening to your guides and your intuition? Or have you been listening to friends or family who is out of touch with your dream? We are realigning our compass before the march begins. When Mercury goes direct on November 29th, the shift happens. We move from reviewing the decision to committing to the decision in order to act on our rediscovered dream. And if you haven't seen my Mercury retrograde video for Sagittarius and the end of the Fire Trinity retrogrades, I'll leave that right here. And so now you make the decision, you follow your rediscovered dream, you take the Martian action, the morally correct action for the results that you want. This is when you start stacking a body of evidence. You stop hoping it will work and you start proving that it will work. And this allows Mars to play his second role, which is to be your defender. Mars sets boundaries. He establishes a perimeter against the non-dream. He repels the people, the places, and the environments that deter you, that distract you, that drain you, because dreams themselves leave no room for doubt. Doubt kills dreams. And Mars gives you the energy and the focused clarity you need to defend the position that you have chosen. He allows you to say no to the old reality so that you can say yes when the only evidence available is your own inner knowing. When you are clear on the dream, when you trust your own point of view, when you act out a role aligned with your heart, you win. Do not use this time to hustle blindly. Use this time to align. And then you can use your actions in order to prove your intuition right. And then you will realize that you are capable of more than you know. This is the mechanics of the next 3 weeks. Review the dream now. Really start building that evidence post November 29th. So eat your turkey, fuel up, get ready, and stay ready to defend that perimeter always. So in order to really take advantage of this transit, to begin taking action on your true dreams, you'll want to get clear on your values. You'll want to use those values to get clear on your vision, and then use those as a healthy boundary against the non-dream. And you can do that by downloading my free interactive harmony audit in the description below. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you made it to the end of this video, then go live your dream.